So good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. In the previous class, I taught you regarding the the thinking that was prevalent in Europe, especially after the French Revolution. Okay. Then I told you there were three groups of people who wanted to bring changes in the society. Another one, I told you that what all ideas were there in the or developed after the French Revolution. You can see that it is spreading to other countries also. Okay, and it is spread to India also. And two major people I told that, or two persons I told that they were influenced by the thinking of a French Revolution. Okay, who were those two people?
Ram Mohan.
Yes, Ram Mohan Roy and
Desrosiers.
Desrosiers. Okay, so these were the two people. You can see that they were influenced by the thinking that developed after the French Revolution. Okay, next one, you can see that I told you three groups of people, three categories of people were there in Europe, especially they wanted to bring changes, but they had different thinkings among themselves. You can see they had different thinkings. Which were those three groups of people?
Liberals, radicals,
Conservatives,
Radicals.
liberals, and radicals here. Okay, and I explained about liberals and radicals. So many what do you say, ideas were there with the liberals, or their ideas are a bit different from the radicals here. Jairus, can you tell some ideas that was brought forward by the liberals? Jairus, can you? Some ideas that were taught by the liberals, or what all ideas they brought forward. Okay, Lakshmi, can you tell? Nandakumar, some ideas that were brought by the what is that? Ideas of liberty, rather than that related to changes. I told some.
Liberals, right?
Yeah, liberals.
Ma'am, that nation was tolerated by all regions.
Yeah, what they felt that their nation should be tolerating all the religions. That is one I told. Then what all points I told?
Then
Opposed
they opposed the uncontrolled powers.
Yeah, they were against the unquestionable power of the kings or rulers. Then
discriminated.
what discriminated?
The religion and other.
Yeah, no discrimination should be there on the basis of religion. That is there. Then
safeguarded the rights of individuals.
Yeah, everyone should enjoy rights should be there for everyone, or they should protect. Governments actually, they should protect the rights of the individuals. Few more points I told you. Which are they?
They argued for a representative.
Yeah, they always advocate for a representative democracy, not a monarchy. There should be a representative representative government, or they say that there should be an elected parliament, and they should rule instead of kings. Isha, can you tell one more point related to it? But everything they were telling equal and all. But one area they were not considering.
They were not Democrats.
They were non-democrats. Why we are telling them as non-democrats? That's why I'm asking. There is in one area they are not bringing equality. What is that?
Because they don't they don't want to follow.
They don't want to give a right to vote. It is related to right to vote. Okay, they don't want to. Yeah.
It's universal adult franchise.
Universal adult franchise in the sense all are equal. All should have the right to vote. Okay. In India, when we say universal adult franchise, what is that? All those who are above 18 years of age, they should have the right to vote. So they were not in favor of universal adult franchise. What they were telling that they were in favor of what? Who should get the vote? What are they saying? Who should get vote? What are they saying?
Men with private property.
Only the
Men with private property.
men, one, another one with private property. Okay, so those who own property, they only should have the right to vote. That is what one main point they are telling. So can we call them as Democrats? Can we call them as Democrats?
No.
No, we cannot call them, because according to democracy, everyone should have right to vote. But that is not given, or that they are not advocating. Okay. Next one, I told you about radicals. Radicals, how are they? Their ideas are a little bit different from liberals. What are their ideas? Lakshmi CV, can you tell?
Yes, ma'am. Radicals wanted a government which was based on majority of the country's
The
population.
first thing, majority of the country's population should be taken into account. That means all should have the right to vote. It's not that only the rich people should have the right to vote. Second,
They supported women's right for voting.
yes, they supported women's right to vote, because during that time in Europe, you can see that no women were given the right to vote. Yes. Then,
They opposed the privileges of landowners and
yes, they didn't like that
factory
lot of,
owners.
yeah, they didn't like the privileges enjoyed by the factory owners, rich people, and those who have lot of property. They had a lot of privileges that they didn't like. Then
They were not against the existence of private properties, but they disliked the concentration of property in hands of a few.
Yes. What during those days, what was the situation? Lot of property was owned by few people. That means a few people only were rich. This concentration they were against. They know that private property should be there, but it should not be like that. Only few people should own this large amount of land property. That should not be there. That was the idea of liberals. Okay. So next is regarding the conservatives, we can say about what were their ideas. That is what it is given. That is related to conservatives. What all ideas we can see, that is conservatives. If you see the ideas of conservatives, they were not favoring the ideas of radicals and liberals here. Okay, they don't like the ideas of radicals and liberals. They were against them. Now, in what all ways they were against them, that you can see that. Now, first thing, if you see conservatives, they were not ready for change. For them, they feel that changes should not be there. Their idea was that. But you can see during French Revolution, after French Revolution and all were asking for right to vote, equality and all. So they felt that they should change now. Okay, so for that purpose, they changed their mind. They felt that, okay, there should be some change. But before, how was it? They felt that they were against the idea of change. They don't want to bring any change in the society according to what? According to conservatives. Okay, so before 18th century, or in earlier years of 18th century, they never supported the idea of change, or they don't want to bring any change in the society. But what happened after the French Revolution, when they saw that people are fighting for equality, people are fighting for right to vote, when they saw this, they felt that, okay, if you say that there should not be any change, it will be a problem for them only. So they should bring some changes in the society. And how they should bring the change, that there comes the difference. What they are telling, that the change should be very, very slow. It should be brought in a very slow manner, should not bring the change in a very fast manner. That is what they say. So by 19th century, what they are telling that they are accepting that change is inevitable. What do you mean by inevitable? Change is inevitable means what?
necessary.
Yeah, it is very, very much necessary to bring the change. So it is very much needed. It is very much necessary. Okay. So they accepted that, okay, there should be some changes. But what they are telling that the past should be respected. Past should be respected in the sense, you know that who is past now here? Who is past? Huh? In the past, who were important?
And the monarchy.
Yeah, not only monarchy, clergy, nobility and all. And those clergy, nobility only belong to which category?
First
Which
and
category?
second estates.
Yeah, no, they belong, they are only the conservatives. Okay, so do you think that they support a lot of change?
So,
No,
No, why don't they support?
because they have many privileges.
but
Yeah, they may lose all the privileges, they may lose all power. So they don't want to change, they don't want to bring so many changes in a very faster manner. What they are telling, you bring the change in a very slow manner, okay, fine. But at the same time, what they are telling, past should be respected. So who should be respected here?
conservatives.
Yes, this conservatives, in the sense those nobility, clergy, kings and all should be respected. Okay, and the change should be brought in a very, very slow manner. It should be like that. So this is the idea of which category of people?
So,
Conservatives. Okay, so again, once more, they were not supporting radicals and liberals, but they felt that if they are not supporting change, it will be a great problem. Okay, otherwise it will create problems in the society. They will be removed. So they are afraid. So they felt that, okay, we will support some sort of change, but how it should be the changes, they should be very slow. It is inevitable. So, but at the same time, whenever there is a change, you should not forget about the past. Okay, you should respect the past, then only you should bring the changes. This is what conservatives were telling. So you can see a lot of confusion, lot of problems were there in the society. All were asking for freedom, not freedom actually, free they are, equality, right to vote. A lot of political turmoil was there in the society in the European countries during those days. Okay, now next, before that, let me show you that video. It is, they are showing the ideas of conservatives in that, whether they are not much against the kingship or anything. What do you mean by social change? Or changes in the social area means what? Changes in the
Society.
society. Okay, so changes in the society, it is important. Economic changes means what? What do you mean by economic changes? Changes in the matter of what?
Taxes.
Changes in the matter of money, we can say. Okay, so a lot of changes were happening in the field of money, or in the field, I mean money in the sense, when we are telling, it may be related to industries, it may be related to employment and all those things come. Okay, so next topic is about industrial society and the social change, whether there were any changes happened in the field of industry. It resulted in what kind of change in the economic area, or what kind of changes happened in the society. That is what they have given in the next topic. So you can see a lot of social and economic changes happened in the field. Now, in what way it has changed, you can see new cities started coming up in the sense, during those days only industrial revolution happened. Have you heard about industrial revolution? Have you heard about it? Tom, do you know what is industrial revolution?
No, ma'am.
What is that? Industrial revolution. Have you heard?
No, ma'am.
No. Have you heard about? You have not heard about industrial revolution?
Miss,
Yeah.
is it a revolution that machines were involved? Means the machines.
Machines were involved, that is correct. But in the sense that when we say industrial revolution, we started or many machines were invented. Yeah, what is that? Yes, I didn't hear.
Is that in the
Your voice is breaking. I cannot hear.
lives changed because of the industry?
Happened in Europe and
Yeah, it happened in Europe only. But what is the speciality of that when we started? See, you might have you heard about green revolution, right? What is that green revolution? What is that green revolution? What is the result of green
Saving the
revolution?
environment.
Result is what?
Yield increased.
What is the result of green revolution? You have studied in economics, right? What is the result?
Yield increased.
Yes, yield increased a lot. Okay, same way industrial revolution when we say means what?
Manufacturing.
Yeah, manufacturing increased, large scale production.
Machines were replaced
Yeah.
by humans.
Machines, that is one thing. So introduction of machines, lot of machines were invented during those days, so that production become faster. Okay, so production with the help of machines, they started producing a lot. So that a revolution happened in the field of industry. That is what we call it as industrial revolution. Okay, now because of this industrial revolution, you can see that new cities are coming up, new industrialized regions have come up. Okay, so because of this reason, you can see people started going for getting employment in the factories. Before main work was cultivation, it was like that. So here you can see, because of industrialization, many men, many women, many children, they started working in the factories, industries and all. Now during those days, you can see even children, it is written. So during those days, child labor was there. It was not a problem during those days. Even children, they used to work in the factories and industries and all. Nowadays, is it allowed? Child labor? It's not allowed, but you can see some areas children are working, but it is by law, it is not allowed. If anybody is making them to work in the industry, factories or any shops or anything, they will be getting punishment. But during those days, it is not like that. Even the children, men, women, everyone, they used to work. Now see, what is the speciality of those work they have given? Long hours of work. Work hours are very long. Okay, so you know that nowadays always government say that there should be 8 hours of work. That is what they have kept there. But during those days, you know, the people, they used to work maybe for 16, 17 hours sometimes in a day. Very less time they used to sleep, and they didn't have proper what do you say, housing and all. So like big pipes and all will be there. Sometimes they used to sleep inside that also. So housing were not there. And you know that to get employment, people will move from rural areas to these towns and all. So there are no houses for them. So they just housing, sanitation, clean drinking water, everything was not available. Everything, it was not available for the people during those days. So 2-3 things what they have given here: long hours they have to work. But you see the wages here, it will be very low. Why it is very low? Because many are there to ready to work in the factories. So wages are very low. At the same time, many people are unemployed there. Many are unemployed, many are not having job, many left the cultivation. So many of them are not earning any money. Okay, another one, they started there were a situation that low demand for industrial goods. So when they are producing these industrial goods, the demand was very low. Sometimes they are producing a lot. So what happened? People, there is not much people to buy that. So demand became very low. So when the demand became very low, what happened? Industrial owner will feel that, okay, now no need to produce more. They may keep 1 month holiday. So what will happen to the workers there? What will happen? Those are employed. They will be remaining unemployed. Will they able to earn any money?
No.
No, they will not be able to any money. So you can see a lot of problems were there. Even though industrial revolution happened, lot of problems were there associated with the industrial revolution. The problems what they are telling that there were no law that you should work only for this many hours. So what happened? Owners were very happy because they can make these people to work at any hours of work they can make them to do and give only this much wage. But nowadays it's not like that. You know that if 8 hours they are working and if more work is there, you know that they will be giving the work to other people. You might have heard shift system, right? Yes or no? Shift, have you heard? Shift of work.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
during those days that these kind of things were not there. Okay, so that is one thing. So housing, sanitation, water facility, availability of water, everything, it was very quality was very low, you can say. Okay, now towns were growing. Towns were growing and going on increasing. Number of towns were increasing. So more people will come and settle there. So this created more problem for getting houses, sanitation and all. So at the same time, you can see that liberals and radicals felt that these problems should be solved in a proper manner. Otherwise, the people are only going to suffer. If the people are suffering, in the sense the workers are not having proper health, if the people are not having any skill or no education, it is going to affect what? People, they don't have proper health. So it will affect what?
Their life.
Their employee.
Their employment. It affect their employment. Their life is okay. That is their owners are not bothered now. Owners, do they bother about the life of these people? No. But what will happen? You see, if they are not healthy, what will happen?
They won't be employed.
They won't be able to produce efficiently. If they are sick all the time, if you have some problem, you know that how slow they will be in their production. Okay, when they are slow in their production, what will happen? The overall production will come down. So it is a loss for whom? It's a loss for whom?
Factory owners.
Factory owner himself, right? So what happened here? Liberals and radicals felt that there should be some solution for all these problems because they were also the owners of factories, industries and all. Even though they were known as liberals or they were radicals, they themselves were some of the property owners and employers. So they started to have a feeling that if the workforce, who comes under the workforce here? The laborers. Okay, if the workforce and the economy is healthy, if they are healthy, if they are educated, the benefit will be very high. Okay, if they are not educated, if they are not healthy, if they are not able to work properly, it will indirectly affect the factory owners. So they felt that they should value the individual effort, or they should consider the importance of individual effort, the laborers, enterprise and all. You know that if you take an industry, who is really doing work there? Is it the owners?
Workers.
The workers are the ones who does the job there, right? Because you know there are factory owner, maybe one person or two persons. Do you think that that persons will do the work in a factory? It's not possible. We need a lot of workers. So when you see the real work, it is done by the workers or the laborers there. If they are not healthy, what will happen? The production, it will affect the production very badly. So liberals felt that, or radicals felt that they should be educated, they should be healthy, and value of individual effort should be there. Otherwise, what will happen? It is going to affect the production in the factory itself. Let me show you that video. Just one
The
minute.
Industrial Revolution had started in Britain and it slowly spread across Europe.
Yeah, you can see one
It
point.
saw the replacement
is
of manual labor with
started in Britain.
machines, resulting in goods being manufactured at a
One minute.
much faster rate.
work. More hours they are working, and you are getting very low wage. What will you feel? It is really like a demotivation for the worker to work there. Right, you're working for 15-16 hours and you're hard working, you're working very hard, you're dying for the industry, and at last what are you getting in your hand? Nothing. It is not, he is not able to, the person is not able to support the family. At the same time, one more thing is there. I told you, men, women, children are employed, right? In that, women and children, they were paid low. Even though they are working equally like others, they will be getting less payment because they are children or because they are women. They used to get very less amount of payment. So the condition was very pitiable one, or it was a very miserable one.
Sometimes, the low demand for goods resulted
Preferring, they wanted to bring some changes in the society. So you can see that radicals, liberals, they felt that there should be a sudden change in the society. There should be some revolution. Then only we can bring the changes in the society. That is what next they are telling. They wanted to put an end to all the kind of government what was there in Europe in 1815. In the sense, what kind of system of government they had? What was the system? Monarchy. So they felt that this monarchy should not be there. They should end all these monarchical system. That is one thing. So nationalists, liberals, radicals, all of them, they felt that there should be an end to this kind of government. Now, it's not only in France. You can see in France, Italy, Germany, Russia, everywhere you can see the revolutionaries, they wanted to overthrow the existing government, or they don't wanted to follow any monarchical system in their country. Okay, nationalists started telling that there should be a nation where all citizens would have equal rights. They started telling that everyone should have equal rights. Now, one example they have given that is related to Giuseppe Mazzini. He is from Italy. He's an Italian nationalist. He started conspiring in the sense making secret talks, writings he published. All these things he did mainly to provoke the people to fight against or to stop the kind of government what was there during that time. Okay, so one example they have given. Who is that person? Giuseppe Mazzini. Okay, so in English language, you might have heard about Joseph. So that term they use like this in Italy. Okay, so Giuseppe Mazzini, he was an Italian nationalist. He conspired with others, especially for achieving nationalism in Italy. Now, he wrote a lot of written material that inspired the people of India also. So this is what you can see, the industrial change, or because of industrial revolution, what all changes happened in the society. That is what it is given. Okay, now let me take the attendance. Adikesh.
Present, ma'am.
Abhiram.
Present, ma'am.
Adlio.
Present, ma'am.
Advait Murali.
Present, ma'am.
Advait Sinu. Present. Ehsan.
Present, ma'am.
Albert.
Present, ma'am.
Ellen.
Present, ma'am.
Alvin.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Amaljit.
Present, ma'am.
Amin.
Present, ma'am.
Anantita.
Present, ma'am.
Aneshwara.
Present, ma'am.
Anjana.
Present, ma'am.
Benedict. Fadil.
Present, ma'am.
Hira.
Present, ma'am.
Henin.
Ma'am, Fadil present.
Yes. Henin. Absent. Ritvik.
Present, ma'am.
Iron.
Present, ma'am.
Isha. Ken.
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi.
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi Nandakumar.
Present, ma'am.
Lynette.
Present, ma'am.
Nadeem.
Present, ma'am.
Nandana.
Present, ma'am.
Navneet.
Present, ma'am.
Nikhila. Nivedya.
I'm present. Present, ma'am.
Nivetya. Yes, present. I marked. Pooja.
Present, ma'am.
Sridev. Shridev.
Present, ma'am.
Suryadev.
Present, ma'am.
Tamanna.
Present, ma'am.
Tom.
Present, ma'am.
Vaishnavi.
Present, ma'am.
Jairus.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, thank you everyone then. Bye.
Ma'am, Isha is present.
Yeah, today, who's present?
Isha.
Isha is present, I know. And today, I'll be taking second period you have. So in that, I'll be taking politics, okay? So be prepared with that book. Okay then, bye.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you, ma'am.